Week 10, Video 28, Lecture 10, Chapter 2.5, Orders of Operations. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program for SATs, Grammar School, and Year 7 admission tests. Our discussion topic today is Orders of Operations. If you are in Year 4 or 5, this is the best time to practice and prepare for the Year 7 admission test. At this stage, you already have some idea. However, we will refresh your memory and practice more today. Let's start. When we are asked to do more than one operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or power, we do it in a specific order. The name of the order of operation is BODMAS. Although it does not make any sense in English, in the Bangla language, it means a bad person. So, if we do not follow this order, our work becomes incorrect, like a bad person. Each of the letters of BODMAS represents bracket, order, for example, square, cube, root, etc., division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. However, if we perform subtraction before addition, the result will remain unchanged. Globally, some other popular terms are used. They are BIDMAS, PEDMAS or PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, which are brackets, and E stands for exponents, which are square, cube, root, etc. In BIDMAS, I stands for indices, which is the same as orders. Now for PEMDAS, multiplication comes first on the left. We do multiplication first, and if division comes first on the left, we do division first. It is sometimes challenging to remember, so we always do division before multiplication. So, following the BODMAS rule, we do not need to worry about which operation comes first on the left. We always do division before multiplication, regardless of what comes first on the left side of the expression. Let's do some examples and exercises. Example 1. 29 plus 30 minus 30 equals. Here, we get the result very easily if we subtract first. 29 plus 30 minus 30 equals 29. So it is better to do subtraction first before addition, where possible. Example 2. 32 minus 30 times 15 divided by 5. Here, we do the division first. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now, 30 times 3 is 90. Finally, we do subtraction. So, 32 minus 90 is negative 58. Just to add that these learning topics keyest to are the foundation syllabus of GCSE, Keys 3 and 4, so it is also helpful for international students who plan to sit for IGCSE in the future. After this 52-week program, we will run a GCSE maths program. If you are an international student, please do not miss it. Let's continue. Example 3. Joe has 30 Ferrero Rochers chocolates in a box. He eats 10 from the box. He halves the remaining chocolates and distributes them to his friends in 2 equal groups. How many friends does Joe have in each group? The correct expression is option 1, 30 minus 10 divided by 2, option 2, 30 minus, brackets open, 10 divided by 2, brackets closed, or option 3, brackets open, 30 minus 10, brackets closed, divided by 2. Now, Joe eats 10 chocolates, so the remaining chocolates will be 30 minus 10. We do not need to work out because we are making an expression. Then he halves the chocolates, so the correct expression is, brackets open, 30 minus 10, brackets closed, divided by 2. So the answer is 10, which is option 3. However, if we choose option 1 or option 2, the answer is wrong. This is because 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 30 minus 5 is 25. When there are multiplication and division operations, we can perform either division first, or we can start our operation from the left. Example 4. 4 divided by 2 times 2. If we do multiplication first, we get 4 divided by 4 equals 1. It is incorrect since we did multiplication first. The correct operation is that we do division first. 4 divided by 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2, which is 4. Example 5. 3 times 3 divided by 9 times 2. If we do like 3 times 3 divided by 9 times 2 equals 9 divided by 18 equals 0.5, it is incorrect. The correct method is 3 times 3 divided by 9 times 2 equals 9 divided by 9 equals 1 times 2 equals 2. Or we can do division first. 3 times 3 divided by 9 times 2 equals 3 times 1/3 times 2 equals 2. And now I will show you a magic trick. What if you forget which operation to perform first? In that case, change all division signs to multiplication and change the number next to the sign. For example, the numerator as the denominator and the denominator as a numerator. So, for the above expression, we have 9 after the division sign. So we change the division sign and write 9 as 1 over 9. 3 times 3 times 1/9 times 2 equals 2. Example 6. What is 3 times 4 divided by 4 times 3? So first, we change the division sign into multiplication. 3 times 4 times 1/4 times 3 equals 9. To change the division sign, we put the numerator as the denominator. We use this book, 11 Plus Maths Genius, for our 52 lectures. It provides a summarized description of all the learning topics, along with plenty of examples and practice questions. It also includes 2 full mock exams for Stage 1 and 1 mock exam for Stage 2 with answers. It will give you a flavor of real exam situations. Please click the link in the description box below to collect yours. Let's continue. Example 7. Tina has a deck of 100 Uno flip cards. She removed 9 power cards and 5 number cards from the deck. However, she put 4 number cards back. She then splits the cards into 5 equal piles. How many cards are in each pile? Let's work out how many cards remain before she divides them into 5 piles. So, brackets open, 100 minus 9 minus 5 plus 4, brackets closed. Or 100 minus 9 minus 1. Or 100 minus 10. Or 90. Now, 90 divided by 5 is 18, so each pile has 18 cards. Here we put brackets. This is because if we don't use brackets, it will look like this. 100 minus 9 minus 5 plus 4 divided by 5. And you can see that we are dividing 4 by 5, which gives a completely wrong result. That's all for this week from 11 Plus Maths Genius. Next week, we will learn about practical remainders. Please hit that subscribe button and join us, and don't miss any of our weekly lectures, mock tests, and refreshing videos. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.